Welcome to another Best Day Talk. I am Martina, Best Day Event Director, and today I am in a rather interesting company. Today with us, we have Tomislav Tuđan, CEO of travel agency Croatia by the Glass. Tomislav has more than 20 years experience in wine business, and recently he took, like we all like to say, a leap of faith and got into travel and tourism business with his business partner. So in this way, as I understood well, they combine best of both worlds. Tomislav, welcome.
Thank you, Martina, and thank you for this introduction.
So, Tomislav, for this Best Day event, one of our key topics is lifestyle-focused experiences. And that one does not mean that we will only talk about it, but attendees will also have the opportunity to experience something of Croatia, something of Zagreb. And that is actually one of the reasons why are you today here with us. So can you please tell us what it will be, who is it for, and why should people join?
Yeah, so for this event, we prepared one wine workshop. We will present Croatian wines, Croatian indigenous grape varieties. Croatia is very rich when it comes to grape varieties because we have more than 130 of indigenous grape varieties. Of course, we will not taste all of them, but we selected four most popular varieties. So we will have 4 wines, also with the story about these wines. Not only tasting, it will not be just tasting. You will learn about the winemaker who produces that wine, why is this wine special, but also the workshop is called Croatian wine regions, and but we will also speak about the history of Croatian wines. We will mention some other interesting facts from Croatian history, but I cannot say everything in interview because then nobody will come. So we need to save something for the workshop. But I think it will be very interesting. It will be like an hour and a half of nice meeting after the whole day meetings. This will be more pleasure meeting to have a glass of wine and to learn something.
As I understood well, at least 4 glasses of wine, not only one.
At least 4, but who wants to learn more, there is more.
Yes, we all know that while we are wining and dining, lots of different stories can be told, and some new connections and maybe businesses could be done. Especially it's common here like that here in Croatia. But tell me, Tomislav, why actually did you decide to go into the business of travel and tourism and open travel agency?
Because I like wine and I like travel. I like to travel. So as you said, I'm 20 years in this business. I was in a wine distribution company, probably the best one in Croatia. And after 20 years, I decided to take this next step to do something on my own. I visited many wineries during my career. I visited many regions, tasted many wines. It's a really nice life, a nice job. And I also like to travel, not only because of wine, but to experience new locations, to see how people live. And so I decided to connect these 2 loves into one company. So I asked my friend, my business partner, to join me, and we started. So we'll see how this is going to work. I think it can be very good because wine tours, so this is specialized wine tour agency. It is pretty popular outside in Europe and in the rest of the world, and not so much in Croatia. And I think Croatia has many things to offer when it comes to wines, beautiful wineries, beautiful regions, lovely wines. So yeah, we give it a try.
Great. So, but if I also understood well, so you also had experience of doing this kind of workshops before. It's not like you just started now with workshops.
No, workshops we do for a long time. We run whiskey club in Croatia. I think it's the first and for now, as far as I know, the only whiskey club in Croatia. We run it for 8 years. Every month we have a whiskey workshop, but also many wine workshops are behind us. Jure presented many workshops for some other companies, for wineries, on some fairs. So we have hundreds of workshops behind us. Yeah, this is not something that we just started.
Great. So that actually means that during this best day, attendees will have the opportunity to experience a little bit of storytelling about the wines and about Croatia, but also to see just maybe a little bit kind of sneak peek of the experience that you provide actually on the destination.
Of course, everything is in storytelling. So our workshops are made for people who love wine, who are experienced in wine, but also for people who just want to learn something new. We don't want to bother people with some technical details about the wine, how long does it age, what is the pH of the wine, or something like that. We want to enhance the fun part of the wine, tell some anecdotes about the winemaker, maybe some fun facts about that wine. So it is actually not just like a lecture. We speak and you listen. We like people to join, to ask questions, to...
But we will see at the best. I don't tell all. Don't tell all,
Yes,
please.
yes. Okay.
So, Tomislav, thank you very much for joining us today. And I have to say, I really like your background because I know it's not artificial, it's the real one. And also it gives a little bit of sense of and the whole idea what we are actually now talking about, because you're at one nice place in Croatia again.
Yeah, one of the nice places, many of them in Croatia. I'm right now in Gorski Kotar, so it's in the mountains, not too hot, close to the sea if I want to go to the sea. Yeah, I like to spend my summers here.
Great, enjoy your time still still over there, and thank you very much, Tomislav, for joining us today. To all our viewers, make sure to visit us at Best Day, visit our website, Best Day event for more details, and definitely join us for this amazing experience that Tomislav and his business partner will provide us at the Best Day. So cheers to all.
Thank you, Martina, for invitation, and also I invite all the people to come to our workshop. What I can promise you, we will have fun.
I completely believe in that. So thank you one more time, and thank you all, and see you at the Best Day.
See you. Cheers.